Hello, my darlings. So, how is everybody doing today? I'm out taking a walk, short little walk. I went to the store, had to get some soda for my husband, got myself some lunch, sushi, woo! Went and got my hair half shaved yesterday. The next thing I'm going to do is bleach it. Oh yeah, it's windy. But I'm going to bleach it, and then, let's see here. And I'm determining on what color to pick. Now, guys, should I have purple, like this, or should I have blue? Did green, it didn't turn out too well. But, so, the question is, in truth, these are the colors I have. I have red, blue, purple, and green. Now, doing too many colors at once kind of overloads my husband's sensory overload for my husband in the colors. So I usually do one color and just let it fade out and turns into more than one color. But the question here is, I was thinking about doing purple. Not sure if I should, or should I wait since I got the nice fresh haircut. But yeah, since I got the haircut, it's showing my birthmark right here, the white hair, big patch of white hair. So yeah, I have a birthmark here, and then I got one on this side also, over here. Not as big, and then I got one in the back of my head. 3 white spots. Now, if you're wondering why I have these unusual birthmarks, fun fact: when I was born, my hair was white, and when I got a little older, about 6 months, almost all of it fell out. Literally, like most kids, the hair falls out. And the hair that fell out, when it grew back black. So, my whole life, I've lived with salt and pepper hair. Now, a lot of people don't know this, because I'm constantly coloring it, or going to one straight color of the main color, which you see is the black. But it's not the main color. It's 50-50. It's just sparse throughout my whole head. And sometimes it's annoying. I mean, 16 years old and you got black and white hair, and kids are going, ha ha, you got gray hair, ha ha ha. Not. It's not fun. Grade school, I used to get picked on for my hair. And the first time that happened, my mom decided, okay, she started coloring my hair. Not drastically, just enough to hide the white, to make it look brown. So it looked like I had black hair with dark brown chestnut highlights in it throughout my whole head. And I had really pretty hair for the longest time. And it was very long. I mean, Lord, my hair was long enough I could sit on it when I was younger. And then one day I just got so ticked off at my hair back in high school. And I stood in front of my full-length mirror in the house, leaned over, put a towel down, got a pair of shears, and did a Billie Jean. And now, mind you, that's a movie reference to the movie The Legend of Billie Jean. I just cut off almost every ounce of hair I had. And my hair has never truly been the same ever since. It takes forever for it to grow. The meds that I'm on make my hair fall out if it hits a certain length. So before I cut it like this the first time, I had hair down the middle of my back, but it was damaged bad. So I cut it all off. Oh, I'm home. Love you guys. Wear a mask. Be safe. Until then, my lovelies.